going to kill you. You want to see the snow.
I go, you know.
You always think it. And it's still melting down.
I know you're saying Texas.
Oh, dead.